this is Kay, and then I have a special guest, my brother.
Hey, let's go.
And
what's my channel? Come on now, I need a shout out.
And then my channel is...
My channel.
No, my channel.
They're on your channel. What do you mean?
Okay.
How sad. She's not going to give her brother a shout out.
Okay,
Go subscribe to me
channel,
at Jacob Vlogs.
No.
Let's get it.
No.
Yep.
Our channel is Kay.
I have my channel, she has her channel. Kayla, tell them what we're doing.
So we're going to be making Jello slime.
No, we're making jiggly slime.
Jiggly slime, I meant. I forget things.
Okay, so what was the first step? We don't have a lot of glue, by the way. So what was the first step?
We have to add glue.
Okay, good job. So we have to add the glue. We just have 3 of these pens, and then we have this little thing. So it's all PVA, so yeah. Okay, Kayla, uncap one of these and start squirting. All right, speed it up right now. I think if my mom even edits this video. You gotta check it all out.
Oh, sorry. I think I got it all.
No, you got it. You get it.
Okay,
Go get it. Come just lay down. That's all. Here, Kelly, you want to throw this away? Oh, why is there hair in there?
Here's another.
Look at that. It's like different colors. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's gross. Okay, so what you guys want to do is just mix it until you get like an even consistency. So yeah.
My channel. He's still in my channel.
Yeah. Go subscribe to Jacob Vlogs. Let's get it. You know what it is, what it do, what it be.
He's still in my channel.
Okay. So after that,
Don't
you want to add baby powder. So here, Kayla, add a little bit of this.
How much? Tell me when to stop.
More. There, I think.
Mix it up.
This makes your slime stretchier. You don't exactly need it, but it's good to have it. Actually, I don't know if you exactly need it or not. This is my first time, our first time making jiggly slime.
Yeah, he's trying to steal my channel. Don't you dare steal my channel.
These don't mix well. What the heck?
Dad.
And then you're gonna add baby oil. We probably should have told you what you guys needed, but you're probably just watching this because you're bored. So.
He's stealing my channel.
How am I stealing your channel?
You're taking it.
Okay, so
Share means care.
once you mix that, you guys are gonna add the baby oil. So Kayla's gonna add this.
You're gonna tell me when to
Oh, I
stop.
hate that. Okay. I want to do a little bit of though because it seems satisfying. So. Okay, there. Stop. Oh. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so if it starts to like not like become like glue anymore, that's okay. That's how it's supposed to be. So like, it should be like falling apart, kind of. So I think we put too much together.
I think we can.
Can you put that on here?
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So if you just keep mixing it, it should start to turn like glue again. And
I'll put up.
honestly, I have no idea what we're supposed to do next. So, what's it called? We're gonna end the clip right here, and then we'll see you guys when we know what to do next because we have no idea. So, yeah. Kayla, go ahead. Go press the button. No, not like. Alright, so we found out you're supposed to put in your foaming hand soap. So, a couple, like, squirts of that. So what this does is makes bubbles form on the top, and also it makes it smell nice. That's what the girls said.
What does it need? That big pepper? Does it taste too sweet?
Okay, so mix it till it's all even and looks like glue again, or somewhat like glue. And if you put too much, it's good. Just add more glue if you have some.
hiding behind stuff.
It has an assault.
Because he's stealing my channel.
Yep.
Why are you stealing my channel, Jake? Why?
Okay, so once it becomes like a runny consistency, you're good to add your shaving cream. Yeah. Kayla, can you go grab the detergent?
Okay. What's the Jake?
Huh?
What's the Jake? Which one?
The orange one. Okay, so don't add too much of this because this is just to make it soft. But if you add too much, your thing is not going to be stretchy at all. Yeah, Mom, is it that one? And definitely if you're using detergent, make sure not to add too much or else it's not gonna go well. It's just gonna be bad. Okay, so now at this point, you guys can add your food coloring. So I'm gonna go get that one. Okay, let's talk to you.
Hi guys. I'm just doing. I kind of mixed it a little bit.
Okay, so Kayla, what color do you want it?
Here, let me look at the colors and then I'll tell you.
We could make it pink.
How do you make pink?
With light this and yellow. You wanna make pink?
Yeah. Or
Actually, to be honest, guys, I'm just lying. I have no idea. And then, once your slime looks like it did like 5 minutes ago, you're gonna add in your whatever you're using. I think there's absolutely nothing in here. Oh, you're gonna add in whatever you're using to make your slime into slime. So like your detergent or whatever you're using. So add in very little at a time. Boom.
it smells good. And these are all the things. Did I?
We use body powder instead of baby powder because it's like the same thing. And I'm sure you guys know the drill from here unless you've never seen slime before. You just keep slowly adding it until it becomes slime, so it should be solidifying. Like ours is solidifying.
Jacob's not letting me.
So
He's doing
Jacob
my
is
channel.
actually really into slime, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he's doing my channel for the week.
Kayla, get over it.
He's doing my channel. Don't you dare.
What happens when you go on his channel then? Are you stealing his channel?
Yes, I think he's still mine.
Are you the star
Yes.
of the show?
Yes. And he's doing mine. I'm gonna steal his.
So once it becomes like this, like to where you can't really mix it anymore, you just gotta use your hands.
What do you like about the slime, Jake?
I don't know. Why would you put all these right in front? Okay. So this is like ours. It looks bad though because nobody's played with it yet. But it's stretchy. Kayla, are you happy?
Yeah. But let me. I'm doing my channel.
Is this for Kayla or is this for Jacob? The slime, is it for both of you guys?
I have no
Are you
idea.
guys gonna share it?
Oh, look at that, it's tearing.
Let's see. Let me try.
I think it's because we use the baby powder. Yeah, this is not jiggly whatsoever. Hold on, let me get it not wet. Let me go. It's sort of stretchy. It's not that good. it's more a fluffy slime than regular slime. See it?
Now let me. Hey, you're covering.
Kayla plays with slime weird. She acts like it's a bouncy ball.
How are
I
you
feel like-
supposed to play with it?
Like this.
Oh, because you like the sounds. She likes the texture of it. See, so different.
No,
You
look,
guys
I do
like
this
different
too.
things.
Look,
Uh-huh.
Kayla just goes like this. She goes.
You like the feel of it, Kayla?
Yeah.
I feel like this was a
Hey,
peace sign
hey,
patch.
hey, don't watch it.
Hey,
Sorry.
this is why I don't give you slime.
Let me touch it.
You just threw it at me.
No.
Wait, hold on. I want to see if I can make a cake. Ready?
How dare you?
Hey, you messed me up. Kayla's head is like right at my arm. Oh, Mom, look at that. That looks so cool.
Hey.
Actually, guys, it is actually it actually is pretty stretchy if you think about it. Because, I mean, if you guys just play with it, it becomes like it. But don't put it in like a bag because, trust me, it will lose its,
Texture.
no, not its texture. Just, it won't become slime anymore. It won't stretch. It won't do anything. Like, when you first make slime, it's so good. Like, but after that, I don't feel like this is jiggly. Watch, let it go. I don't know. Maybe we're not done. Maybe we're supposed to add water. You want to try and add some hot water?
Yeah.
Okay, here. Mom,
Oh,
we'll be,
the hot water.
Here, Kayla, you talk to them. I'm going to do this.
Okay. So. Okay. Never mind. So. If you guys are gonna watch this channel, watch it. And of course, I know some of you guys like my channel. And then I had a lot of subscribers on my channel because I'm cute. The cute face. Are you guys happy to see the cute face or not? Ah! Yeah. Yeah. And I did not stop down. Yeah, I like to do that sometimes. I like to do that sometimes. And then it would be
Okay, so I
perfect.
added it in.
I think there's a little too much water, but it's all good. So this is, if you guys didn't know, this is a life hack to expand your slime to make it bigger. So it should start falling apart, just immediately falling apart, getting sticky. It should not be slime anymore. But once you start to play with it, it should become, I actually might have just ruined her slime completely. Yo, look at this. It's not even slime anymore, it just looks like guts. Okay, so now what I'm gonna go do? No, yeah, Kayla, I ruined her slime. Ow! Oh no, it's coming together.
How dare you ruin my slime?
What do you mean it's coming? It's my slime. It's our slime, and it's coming back together.
Well, you're giving it to me.
What?
Share means care.
Oh.
It's all watery now.
I know. It expanded my other slime. I don't know what happened to this one.
Oh no.
It expanded my other slime. It made it jiggly.
Is it a fail?
He made it a fail. So, you guys are on me. Yay. It's on me.
But it smells like so bad.
On me. So, watch my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hope you guys like this video. And I hope I get a lot of subscribers.
Did you see the outro without me?
Yeah. Haley was doing my channel.
No, guys, go subscribe to Jacob Vlogs. Let's get
No,
it, boy.
my
Daily
Taylor.
uploads.
No, subscribe to my Taylor.
That's a lie. Daily uploads.
Subscribe to Michaela. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, and I love all my subscribers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you.